Another lockdown? Who cares? When you can make money from home. We have a textbook Forex trading strategy that earns more interest than you can get from your high street bank. Look, 55% this month. We've applied the strategy together. We put the lipstick on. We do this in the trade group so everyone knows ahead of time what to expect. And here we are, a couple days later, and money is in the bank. Yes, you can make money from home. So nobody gives a crap about lockdown. We're happy for it. It gives us time at home. Here's a government disclaimer required by law. We enter all our trades at our own risk. Let's get to this trade and see how it worked out. Yeah, guys, just real quick to show you, this is the trade group. Does this work? This is a trade group. This here was the New Zealand CAD. Here is a link to where I initially posted. So if I just click on, let's just clear this first. If I click on here, look, it goes back up to the thread. The lipstick was on. See, I'm looking at New Zealand CAD. I'm wondering, will it follow suit? So I've put the lipstick on, and it's just a matter of patience. And here's other traders in the group. They're taking trades, taking profit. Okay. Trend line looks interesting, agreeably. And then this is what it looks like in a trade group. People are posting other trades. We're talking, we're having a chat about what's going on through the days. Of course, I'm keeping an eye on my trade. You know, these guys are trading and making money, making money. Okay, and here it is. Following thread of this trade, New Zealand CAD, price has hit target 1 and pushing toward target 2. Other trades are mentioned in here, and here we are. Look, trade now complete, 125 pips. The target has been hit. Day by day, we just did, and this is what happens. We just continue on. Look, another trade, Trendline Breakout Strategy. These guys are doing it themselves. The pacer. I mean, these are beautiful trades, exceptionally beautiful trades that are being applied as a group, and you know, we're benefiting. So we do invite you to come along, come and join us, and you know, that's what we're here for. Here's a beautiful trade, 84 pips. I mean, you know, wonderful. And that's what we do. We're sharing all the time. Just a wonderful, wonderful group, a wonderful opportunity. Given back in the day, you'd have to go to the financial center and, you know, get a job. Now you can do this from the comfort of your home and connect with the world via the internet. Nothing's impossible anymore. It's all possible. You can do anything you want. Okay. Anyway, enough shared for now.